guys, so looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Nissan X-Trail stock number 6918. This ran from the 7th 2010 to the 12th 2013. Here's an MR20DE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a MR20DE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight has sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch fat belly maggot tyre. Front bonnet. Left front door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch fat belly maggot tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch fat belly maggot tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke, leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.